Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 48 and today we are looking at the difference between Calculate Now and Calculate Sheet options. So yesterday I covered automatic versus manual calculations and we saw that this one calculates as you edit your worksheet and this one you have to push Calculate Now option for it to be able to calculate. But now I'm going to go in deeper in the Calculate Now and distinguish it from Calculate Sheet. So what Calculate Now does is it calculates everything in your workbook. So if you have multiple worksheets here, it will calculate everything in one go. However, Calculate Sheet, it will only calculate the active sheet. So if I say Calculate Sheet and there is 2 or more worksheets, it will only calculate the active worksheet and it will not apply to the other worksheets. So when do you use which option? So the Calculate Now option is better used when your workbook is lightweight. I mean that when your workbook is not very heavy and it's not a very big workbook which have speed problems, so you can use Calculate Now. But if your workbook is a very big workbook and it takes time to calculate, you might want to just calculate the sheet you are working in, so you can use the Calculate Sheet option. The challenge which will then come is if you go and print the rest of the sheets without remembering to calculate sheet, then you might end up printing the wrong things. So you just need to be careful and you just need to choose wisely which option you should go with. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.